Put the bottle down, right, now. You think this is the holy grail of anti-aging dead wrong. You are literally wrapping your face in chemical plastic wrap. You aren't protecting your skin, you are building a bacteria sauna right on your face. The beauty industry calls it a shield. I call it a Trojan horse. Think about it. You seal your pores with SPF 50 from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. That creates a greenhouse effect on your dermis, your sweat, your sebum, and those heavy chemical filters. They are cooking together into a toxic stew. This hot, stagnant environment is exactly what acne bacteria needs to breed. You are basically marinating your skin in its own waste for 15 hours a day. That texture, that sensitivity, it's not bad genetics. It's your skin screaming for oxygen. But here is the scary part. Flip that bottle over. See Oxybenzone or avobenzone. These chemicals don't just sit on your face. They are designed to penetrate. They leak into your bloodstream. Science calls them endocrine disruptors. I call them hormone hackers. They mimic estrogen. They wreck your thyroid. You are trading a potential sunburn for a chaotic hormone panel. Think about it. You're protecting your skin, but poisoning your system. So, do we hide in a cave? No. We use the Japanese concept of first light. The first 45 minutes after sunrise is magic. UV is 0. Stop blocking this. Your skin is starving for it. When this specific light hits your naked skin, it triggers a flood of nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a delivery truck for oxygen. It dilates your blood vessels and rushes fresh nutrients to your face. It's a free biological facial, and you're blocking it with a layer of chemical goop. Here is the new law. Memorize it. Rule 1 indoors, bare face. If you work inside, let your skin breathe. Don't wear a raincoat in the living room. Rule 2, outdoors, use a mirror, not a sponge. Throw away the chemical filters. Switch to mineral SPF with zinc oxide. Chemicals absorb heat like a sponge. Zinc reflects it like a mirror. Zinc calms inflammation. Chemicals trigger it. Rule 3, the jailbreak. If you wear SPF, you must double cleanse with oil. Water won't cut it. You need to dissolve that cement before you sleep, or you will wake up congested. Sunscreen is a tool, not a religion. Stop following the herd. Try the first light protocol for just 3 days. Your texture will smooth out and that dull grey look gone. Comment, I breathe below if you are ready to stop suffocating your skin. I'm Bella. This is Quick Health Fix. Fix your habits. Fix your life.